Hello students, welcome back. Good to see you here today. In this lesson, I will give you some tips and tricks to help you practice English speaking by yourself. Today, I'll be introducing to you and talking about the shadowing technique. Many of you comment on our videos that you don't have anyone to practice your English speaking with. I know that can be frustrating and sometimes cause you to lose a little motivation. This is the first lesson in a series that I will make. So I will make several more covering a different way for you to practice speaking English by yourself. The first tip to help you practice English speaking by yourself is to use the shadowing technique. This is a bit more of an advanced level tip, but I think it can be useful for all levels of English learner. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a technique to help you practice English speaking where you listen to audio and repeat it back after you hear it. You listen to words and sentences and phrases and you repeat it back out loud. So how does shadowing work? First, find an audio that you want to use. It can be a podcast, a YouTube video, an audiobook. Really, any audio can work for shadowing. Next, listen to the audio. Listen to it first, all the way through. Make sure that you understand what is being said. Make sure that you understand all the vocabulary in the listening. The next part of shadowing is optional, which is to use a transcript. Using a transcript can be for any level learner, but it's really helpful for beginners and lower level learners. If you're a little more advanced, try shadowing without a transcript. In this case, your focus should be on listening and mimicking. When shadowing, you should use active learning. You should fully engage with the audio. The more you can focus on listening and repeating the audio, the more your English will improve. Shadowing is an intense activity, so don't try to do too much at once. You should only do shadowing for short periods of time, maybe 10 or 15 minutes each time. When shadowing, make sure to repeat the audio a few times, right? You don't have to do it in the same day, but maybe come back a few days later. And usually repeating it 2 to 4 times is enough. The most important part of shadowing is finding audio that you like. The audio should be something that you are interested in. Finding audio on topics that you are interested in will make shadowing much easier. For example, if you like soccer, find an audio about soccer. If you like cooking, find an audio about cooking. So where can you find audio for shadowing? Well, you can find videos on YouTube and Facebook. You can find movies and shows on streaming sites like Netflix or whatever streaming site you have in your country. YouTube and Facebook are good because they usually have an English audio transcript. Find podcasts that you like, right? Podcasts that are about topics that you're interested in. There are many places to find free podcasts these days. You can try out Google Podcasts or Apple Podcasts or many other podcasting sites. You can just search the internet to find some free podcasts. Shadowing will help you improve your English pronunciation and overall rhythm when you speak English. What is rhythm? Rhythm is the pacing of English. If you have good rhythm with English, this will help you sound more fluent when speaking English. So what's good about practicing English using shadowing? First, you can do it on your own. You can practice by yourself. It only takes about 10 or 15 minutes each time you do it. It's very effective at improving pronunciation and English rhythm. So to review about studying using the shadowing technique, first, find a short audio, 10 to 15 minutes long. Make sure you understand what is being said in the audio clip that you are using. Practice shadowing the audio with or without a transcript. I think you should make shadowing part of your English study plan. Now you know more about practicing English using the shadowing technique. I'll see you in the next video.